kindergarten. So we are going to be making this snowman snow globe today. And we are going to be doing this in a couple of parts. We are going to create the snow globe first. Then we're going to create the snowman. And then we're going to do some background and details. Okay, so the materials you will have today is a blue piece of paper. That's our little winter background. You'll have a paper plate to trace for the snow globe. You will also have a pencil, some crayons, and then you will have chalk to create this beautiful little glass look. Do you see how it almost looks like he really is in like this glass snow globe? Well, we're going to create that by using chalk. You have it white and blue chalk. So the very first thing we're going to do is we've got to create the snow globe first. So I want you to put your paper plate in the middle of your paper. You have to hold it kind of tight. You're going to take your pencil and you're just going to trace around the paper plate. And if you notice when I get here, I have to kind of stop, lift my arm up, and then come around and finish tracing. Okay, so I'm going to go all the way around, make sure I got it, and voila, I've traced my circle, if you can see that. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take a line, and I'm actually going to go from the corner. Miss Recker's going to do this in black marker so that you can see. I am actually going to take a line and go all the way from the corner to my circle, and I'm going to stop. If you notice, that's where my circle is. Let me go ahead and trace my circle in black so that you can see. And you will be doing this too. You're going to trace your snow globe in black. And you see I'm kind of taking my time. I know it's kind of hard to see that pencil. If you need to lift your crayon up so you can see, but we're just following the leader. We're playing follow the leader. We're following that pencil line. And that's going to give us that nice little perfect circle that we need. So from corner, you're just going to make like a slanted line all the way up. And I'm going to do the same thing on this side. I'm going to start at the corner, and I'm going to go straight up to the bottom of my circle, and that's going to create that beautiful little snow globe. Okay, when you're done with that, we are then going to create that glass look around the snow globe. So after you've created your snow globe and you've traced it in black, you're going to take your white, and you're just going to do a little bit, just little lines around just find some spots. You don't want too many. Maybe I want to do about 3 on this side. I want to skip a space. Maybe I want a little one here. I'm going to skip a space. And I really only want to do them up at the top. Maybe I want to do one here, here, and maybe I want one there. All right, perfect. Then I'm going to get a blue, and I'm going to just go right up under it, right where I did my white. We're going to do something really cool. All right, now we are going to take our fingers, and we're just going to rub. Do you see that? Look how cool that is. See how that looks like glass? And we're just going to rub. Just where we made those lines, I'm going to rub. Rub. All right, perfect. Now after this part, we will need to get a wipe and clean our hands before we move on to the second part. Okay, so after we've created our globe, our little snow globe, we are then going to add some patterns and designs on the bottom of our globe. Now remember, at the beginning of the school year, we talked about patterns and lines. So we're going to create our own. So let's just say Miss Rucker wants some green. Maybe I want some green hills here. And maybe I want some orange mountains here. And maybe I want some light blue polka dots. All right. And maybe I want some swirls down here at the bottom, some black swirls. All right, so I have created and maybe I want some orange squares up here. So I got some empty space in there. Okay, be creative. You can do whatever you want. So now I've decorated the bottom of my globe. And if you wanted to just make stripes, if you want green and blue stripes, you can do them this way or this way. If you wanted to color it one color, that is perfectly fine. It is your snow globe. You can do whatever you want. All right, so the next thing we're going to do is we have to create a snow mound for the snowman to sit on. So we're just going to come to about here, wherever you want your snow mound, and we're just going to do some little wavy lines. And we're going to color that in with our white crayon, because he's got to be sitting on snow. So we're going to color that in. I think I want him on a hill. Maybe I want a big hill. All right, so I've got my snow. And the next thing I'm going to do is I am going to take my white crayon and I am going to draw my snowman. Now, if you know what a snowman looks like, you know that he is bigger at the bottom and he gets smaller and smaller at the top. So we have a papa ball at the bottom, a mama ball in the center, and a baby ball on top. So you're going to make your biggest circle right there on the snow. Then you're going to put a smaller circle on top of that circle. And then your baby ball needs to be big enough that we actually can fit some detail, because we still have to put the nose and the eyes and a mouth on that snowman. So we want to make sure that it's big enough for us to get detail. All right, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to color in our snowman. I'm going to color him in. Perfect. We're going to go back and do some more detail on him, but this is what we're going to do. So far, we've got our snow mound and we've created our snowman. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to get a black. We're going to give him eyes. We're going to give him 3 buttons. We're going to give him a little mouth with buttons. And we're going to take an orange. And we're going to create this little triangle right there in his face. Perfect. We're then going to get our black and we're going to give him a little hat by putting a rectangle on top. And we're going to put a square on top of the rectangle and we're going to fill it in. Now we're going to give him some stick arms, and I'm going to go inside of the ball, the mama ball, and just wherever you want his little hands or his little arms, you just stick them. They can go down, they can both go up, and then we're just going to stick some random little lines on the side of it to make it look like sticks. And then if you want to do a scarf, you may wrap a scarf. I actually just do like a little rectangle, and then if you want like 2 little things coming off of the scarf, if you want to do that, you can make a little scarf. Be creative. Your scarf can have stripes. It can be whatever color you would like. All right, and then when we're done with that, we are actually going to, just like we did this snow globe, we're actually going to trace our snowman in this white chalk. We're going to go around him just to really see how that really pops it out. So we're going to trace our little snowballs, and I'm going to trace my little mound of snow. And see how that really pops it out? Awesome. And then I'm going to get my white crayon and I'm going to add snow. He's in a snow globe. So we want to put lots of snow. See how I'm just kind of pressing? I'm pushing and I'm not doing this. I'm pressing and pulling. Press, pull, press, pull. And I'm doing that all around my snowman. Now, I'm also going to add some swirls. Remember those swirls Miss Rucker loves? I'm going to actually add some little swirls around the snow globe to make it look like maybe there's some wind blowing. And maybe I want to add a couple of big snowflakes. And in order to do real big snowflakes, all you're going to do is make an X, and we're going to put a T through the center of it. See how pretty that is? X, put a T through the center of it. Maybe I want a few of those. And maybe I want a couple of those in here too. That's okay. Maybe I want some real big snowflakes. And maybe I want to put a moon back in the background. It's your picture. You can do whatever you want. All right. So this is our activity. Have fun.